everyone, I'm Anna Vanila. Welcome to my channel Anna Vanila, and this is where I talk about me, about myself, about my career, everything that I want to do I share with you. And if you are a fan, I suppose this video would be important for you because it's something new about me. It's like a little news for you. So I've got a fringe which I've made myself, and that's how I look in a ponytail. And you can write below my video and put the thumbs up if you like it. And this is with my hair loose like this. Tell me if you like new updo, hairdo. Do you like it, Mom?
Of course. Yes.
So I wonder if you like it too. So if you like it, please give me a thumbs up and write down if a comment that you like for where I look now with a little fringe, little bangs. And I'm going to do more videos soon, so stay tuned and we will have more fun. Okay, thank you very much for watching and subscribing, and see you soon in my next couple of videos. This is a kind of song I like to listen to in my spare time. I hope you like it also. My hair is quite long now. It's getting a little bit out of control. And with a little fringe here. Shall I make it more dense or rarer? So if you think I need to change it slightly, please comment below and I will listen to your advice. Thank you very much for watching and subscribing. I love you all, and see you soon in my next couple of videos, which will going to be very soon. And see you soon. Bye.